If you have issues with your Bluetooth device on POCO C85, here's what you can do in order to solve your issues. So, one of the first things that we can do is simply go to Settings, and we want to open Bluetooth settings. And what you can do is simply turn off and turn Bluetooth back on. Sometimes this simple step allows you to fix some issues that are related to Bluetooth devices. So if that helps, then of course that's great, but if it doesn't help, another thing that you can do is you can simply forget the device. Now this is of course relevant if you actually had the device connected before. So we can tap on this arrow on the right side, and then we can just choose to unpair the device. In that case, we're just gonna turn off our Bluetooth device, then turn it back on, and if possible, put the Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. If you don't have the pairing mode, or if you don't have the pairing button on your Bluetooth device, then make sure that the Bluetooth device is not connected to another device. Over here we can tap on refresh after a couple of seconds in order to refresh the list of available devices in case your device doesn't appear on this list. But once you manage to find it, then of course we can select it and pair again. And if you still cannot detect your Bluetooth device on this list after that, you can perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting, but you should be able to find, for example, the instruction in user manual or something like that. So you can follow the steps in order to reset your Bluetooth device and then try to connect again. I believe here in additional settings there's nothing really that important that could be interfering with the Bluetooth. So one more thing that we can do, actually two more things that we can do. The first one is also just a simple restart of your phone. So you want to reboot your phone and just check if that helps. And the second thing that I still want to mention is the reset of Bluetooth settings. So we're gonna go to more connectivity options in here. And then we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, you cannot separate these three things. So if you decide to reset the Bluetooth settings, you will also reset mobile data settings and Wi-Fi settings. And if you decide to reset, then remember to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and check mobile data settings in case something changed. But after resetting, you will also have to reconnect your Bluetooth devices, including, of course, the one that doesn't work for you. So you want to just go back into the Bluetooth settings and then just try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And hopefully this time it will work. Subscribe to my channel.